Commercial and residential facilities utilize many different types of flooring. No matter what the service type is, where it is located, traffic conditions, or the care and maintenance it has received on a daily basis, eventually, these areas will require procedures that provide deep, restorative cleaning. To meet these needs, EDIC has developed the Endeavor multi-service line of equipment, which offers the cleaning professional the much-needed versatility of one machine that cleans carpets, upholstery, grouted tile, and other hard surfaces. One of the Endeavor's most valuable features is its ability to provide touchless restroom cleaning that is fast, safe, and effective. The Endeavor's innovative design, durable construction, and user-friendly operating features provide a cleaning tool tailored to fit each unique cleaning step in the process. Complete soil and bacterial removal is the goal of all cleaning professionals. Using the Endeavor will provide your facility with the ability to achieve that goal quickly and efficiently, leaving behind a facility indoor environment that is clean and healthy.